Linux 6.15 was released as the latest stable kernel on May 25, 2025. Ubuntu users can install it via GUI or command line. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to install the latest Linux kernel on Ubuntu 24.04. This release comes with new features. Stick around because I'll also show you how to install it with ease and revert if anything goes wrong. Let's dive in. Let's check our current kernel using this command in the terminal. We'll begin with the GUI method, considered the easiest way. Before using any of these methods, ensure you have a good internet connection. Using this method, we'll install a mainline kernels tool first, which would provide a graphical interface for us to automatically install the latest Linux kernel. Here is how to install the tool. Open the terminal and type the following commands. Once the tool is installed, you can open it from the Applications menu. The tool will list all kernel versions from Canonical's mainline kernel PPA archive, with the latest available version at the top. Click on the latest entry to select it, and then click on the Install button on the right to install the new kernel on your Ubuntu machine. Wait for the installation to complete, and then reboot your computer. After restart, check your kernel version again using this command. Not only is this method easier, but it also informs you of new Linux kernel versions when you enable the notification feature in settings. Moving to the command line method. This method is for experienced users or as a fallback option when the GUI method doesn't detect the latest kernel from the kernel archive. Here is how it works. You have to first manually download and install the kernel packages for your specific architecture. Head over to the Ubuntu kernel PPA archive. It is usually in .deb format. Check the link in the description. Download these packages. If you intend to use a command line to download these packages, type the following commands. We'll get URL of each packages. Navigate to the location where you downloaded the packages and open the command line there. Or better still, use the terminal command to navigate. Once in that directory where the files are located, use this command to install all .deb files. Congratulations! You now have the latest kernel installed. Update the grub using this command. Now reboot your device. Now, let me show you how to revert to your old kernel. Reboot and enter grub. Hold Shift during boot. Select Advanced Options for Ubuntu. Choose your previous kernel, e.g. 6.10.0 XX generic. Once booted, remove the newer kernel . That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, see you guys.